don't know, it's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo! How are them? And guys, I'm so excited for this video coming now because this video was so natural. My ear never comb, I never ever no clothes like that. Like I was just talking to the camera because sometimes I turn on the camera, I talk to it and I don't put up the video. But I've decided that this video I'm gonna put it up because it says a lot about my story and my weight loss and how it had the impact that it has on me and the impact that weight had on my life and the decisions that I made, you know. So I'm so excited to share this video with you. I hope this video actually inspires or helps someone to really become a better version of themselves, look into themselves, spend time with yourself, understand who you are as a person, and you know, just try be a good person, a well-rounded person overall. So I'm gonna share this video with you. Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, and I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Hi guys, you don't know it's MELICASKYLIFE in the building. So guys, I'm so excited today. I'll be bringing to you a video on an update on my weight loss. And I've been doing this weight loss thingy for about 9 months now. And the results are amazing. I'm still not where I want to be. I'm still working hard. And I'm just going to tell you what has been happening. So for my eating, I generally eat the same food. I think I eat it really bad. I need to go on a diet now. I eat the same food. As you all know, I used to drink apple cider in the morning and in the evening every single day. I don't do that anymore because my weight is down to a level now. I'm not do that no more like every day. Like me do it sometimes in the morning when I want to get a flush out of the system. But it's very important if you're starting off your diet now to drink the apple cider vinegar daily. I'm gonna go back on my apple cider vinegar diet because I find that I lose more weight when I'm doing that. And you know, weight loss is so easy when I'm on the apple cider vinegar. For the last 2 to 3 months, I've been stuck at the same weight. Now I've lost about 37 pounds, close to 40 pounds. Me not see, me think me still look fat. Me see fat in my face, see me. And throughout this weight loss journey, boy, it's been such a disciplined journey for me, and I've gotten to know so much things and understand so much things about myself that I didn't really take time out to understand. And it has been one that has taught me discipline, I must say, in certain areas, right? What I try to do is, because I got a break off from school, is I used to go to the gym 2 times per week, but now I go like 4 to 5 times per week. I try not to spend more than an hour and a half in the gym because that would be overpressuring my body. I'm at 163 pounds now, 162. It fluctuates from 160 to 163, and that's such a great accomplishment because when I started out, I realized that I had a lot of doubts in myself, and I just never know someone couldn't do it, and I didn't know that this was something that I struggled with in terms of believing in myself, you know. Over the past years, this is one that area has been one of the biggest fields that I master, self-confidence and believing in myself. And over the period of the time when I gained the weight, I didn't realize that my weight affected me and the decisions that I made so much, you know. I noticed one thing I noticed when I had underweight, and I didn't even realize it's now me tracking back and really understanding what was happening. I really see it because I'm a person who loves to take pictures. I'm always smiling, I'm always taking pictures. And one of the things that I noticed happened with me is I stopped taking full body pictures of myself. I usually just take my face, and this wasn't something. Yeah, but just change the settings. I don't think I'm gonna put this video up because I'm not in no clothes, my ear not comb. But I'm just talking to the camera now. Yeah, this was something that I realized looking back. In having on 200 pounds, I became insecure about a lot of things that I didn't notice until I started to take off the weight and then realizing, bulky Joe, that's how I was. Like, those were the decisions that I was making. As I said, one of the things that I noticed with myself, before I was 200, I'm a person who's always smiling. I'm always taking pictures. I love taking pictures. I'm always smiling. And I realized when I was at the 200, I don't have a lot of full body pictures with me at 200 pounds. And I didn't know that I was affected by it. I never know I'm affected by it because I'm such a happy person. Right now, I believe so I did fat, I did happier. Like, I was so happy. Like, unbelievably happy. I was a happy person. Looking back on the couple of years of my life when I was at that weight, I saw where the best quality I had in myself was being degraded, and I didn't even notice, because my self-confidence and the belief in myself, those two important things are my greatest qualities. I never know, say, the thing affected me so much. Like back in the day when they used to say, oh, you're fat like Ray. When I looked in the camera, I didn't see it. Now me looking back on some of my pictures, I felt like, I said, Punky could have me so big. Like, seriously. And now when I look at myself, I really don't see where I've lost a lot of weight. And I think I'm becoming paranoid over this weight loss thing. But I'm just so excited that this journey has taught me to look back in my life and look where I am today and be proud, because I can pick out the things that I was falling short on in terms of believing. Like, the number one thing I'm believing in is believing in yourself no matter what. Believing in yourself, believing in your dreams, believing in your goals. And I found out that I was low-key not believing in myself as I used to. Low-key, my confidence level did I drop slowly. And when I see this, I say, oh God, me drip up myself. I went into deep depression like a couple of months ago. Like, it was so deep, it's so funny. I'm gonna do a next video on that because this video is not planned and I don't know if I'm gonna put it up because I'm not ready. But I was just talking to the camera and just wanted to I test out my lighting and so in my new ear and thing. Yeah, so this is just a journey about improving myself, getting back my belief. I'm tired. Getting back my belief system in terms of where it was, because I found that I lost that and I felt so bad looking back, because me's a girl. May I tell you, if I say adopt me, I go do all if you kill me, adopt me, I go do. And I found that I lost that. And in disciplining myself, in going to the gym, in trying to eat right, in making certain health decisions, I found that I gained a lot of that back. You know? And it's just such a humbling feeling. Such a humbling and grateful feeling. I got more intact back with my spirituality as a person, because I'm a Christian person. But you know that Christians normally go to the side sometimes, and God has just been so good to me in leading me back into the direction that I should be, and the confidence level that I should have, and being the person that I should be. And I know that through this journey I will be dedicating myself to help a lot more other people to reach to the level that I am at now. I'm still not where I want to be mentally. Like, me I work on my mental strength, because physically I see that I'm strong. Physically, if I say I will do this, like, I will do it because I want it. But mentally, I found that that's the area that I was very weak in. And I've done a lot of things to help me to get better at that, you know. And guys, I'm just so dedicated to help you guys on my journey. Help you guys through my experiences. I've taken a lot of time to really look in myself and find my purpose, what I really want to do in life, you know. I've been doing my degree. I did my first year of my degree. I'm considering that I spent a lot of time trying to find out my purpose and what I really want to do and who I want to help and how I can help them through my experience. And that's my focus. That's my real focus. I've always said that speaking is my greatest quality, and I never spend much time to develop my speaking skills and my motivating skills and I think that's my greatest quality. And if that's my greatest quality, that is what I should be using to help a lot more other people. My speaking skills along with my personality. And through me spending a lot of time with myself. I ask myself, Malika, what your greatest skill? What you like for do? I know I like the YouTube videos. I know I can speak well. I know I have the confidence level. I know I can draw in people. Why not focus on that? That would make more sense. You know? So this is just me testing my lighting, you see, and it got in at 11 minutes. So I don't know if I'll be putting up this video, but if I do, be grateful because I'm so, I don't know, close. So thank you guys for stopping by my channel. Please, if I put up this video, remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and I'm so excited about the journey that is in front of me now and the avenues that I can take on and the new levels that I can go now, that I'm better focused, I'm better able to manage my focus. Yeah, I'm going to link audio that I listen to this audio straight every day for 1 week, and it talks about focus. A lot of us have attention disorders, and I don't know if I fell in that category or I was just trying to find my way in terms of what I want to do, but it talks about how sometimes we spread ourselves so thin that we try out everything and we become good at nothing. So it's very important to find our purpose and focus on that and then grow in that area. It's by TD Jakes. I'm going to leave the link below because it's very important. That audio has helped me a lot in terms of pointing out some stuff to me, like in terms of trying to be focused. Make sure you're focused, power yard. You understand? So check the description box for that, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.